Back in 1972, when I was a kid, James Brown, the hardest working man in show business, came out with a song called Get on the Good Foot. I'm going to redo that song and call it Get on the Left Side of the Storm.
Yes.
As long as you're on the left side of the storm, no problems there. Also, that north wind like we had tonight, making it feel really nice outside.
Yeah, that is one advantage for us here. We still get the cloud cover out of it. It's still a bit mild outside, but definitely not as much precipitation being near the center or being off to the east and to the southeast of it. This is going to be a big problem for Louisiana. So first, let me just show you how much rainfall portions of this area could see in the next 24 hours. We'll put it into motion. Check out these rainfall totals that they could have. Some areas could easily pick up 4, 5, 6, 7 inches plus of rainfall. Notice even this amount here near the Gulfport area. This is our in-house computer model, and it's showing the potential of over a foot of precipitation. Either way, this is just additional flooding concerns for an area that was hit so hard by Ida about 2 weeks ago, and they're still recovering from that, and now you're just going to add a pile of more water on top of that, really going to cause some bigger problems. Okay, back here with our weather, what a day it was. Lots of clouds, occasional showers that we had come through, rainfall amounts mostly under a ½ inch, and a lot of us stayed under a ¼ inch of precipitation, and our highs today mainly in the 70s. You had to get, especially north of Highway 80, to at least see some sun to manage to make it into the lower and the mid 80s. Outside right now, Neil's right, that east-northeast wind, it is a welcome breeze for us. It is making things a bit cool. You could even get some free AC out of this tonight. Maybe bring that air conditioner up just a bit and open up one of the windows, because this breeze is not going anywhere. Cloud cover in place. We're in the low 70s at this time. Let me come back down to Toledo Bend on the East Texas Storm Team live Doppler radar. We've had some off and on periods of rainfall move through here. Now back toward Nacogdoches and Lufkin, even though you're not seeing anything here on the radar, we have had some light mist and drizzle reported in the last couple of hours, so that will still remain a concern. But your heaviest rainfall at this current moment is going to be located down in sections of Sabine County. You can notice here the moderate to heavier rain impacting near Hemphill, just east of the Pineland area. The heaviest is really falling back through sections of Sabine Parish near the Leesville area, but this is where the rainfall is projected to stay. We've already had around an inch or so in Sabine County. The higher totals close to 3 inches, and a lot of this just in the last 6 hours down in portions of southwest Louisiana, so we definitely need to keep a close eye on that. Okay, look at FUTURECAST. Heaviest rain into Louisiana for tonight and into tomorrow. This will eventually pull away from Toledo Bend. It may take a couple of hours, and it wouldn't surprise me if we get a flood advisory out for Sabine County overnight tonight. Now, for all of us tomorrow, we have cloud cover, maybe some cloud breaks, but this is the remains of Nicholas. And notice what will happen. Maybe some brief clearing overnight, Wednesday into Thursday, but the clouds should roll right back in, and we're just going to be locked in with more clouds and the occasional shower chances through the rest of the week. I think this could really impact our temperatures. I've already brought them down, come from the mid 90s that I had last week to the low 90s. Maybe even have to bring them down a bit more depending upon the extensive nature of the clouds. We'll hold on to these isolated rain chances. I wouldn't count on much, but it will be more of a nuisance cloud cover the next few days. Same story for deep East Texas. Rain chances will pick back up early next week.
All right.